half the rails have Repare on top,
Okay.
and the glue is on the bottom half. So last night, park crew put glue on all the features to make them extra sticky, and that was scary.
I can see your board, like your body goes, your board stays. Don't think about jumping into it, because if you jump into it, it throws you off. You're just thinking about retracting this knee, lifting up, then rotating. So just do one without the 270. Feel that? There you go. Oh, gotta do it again. I was too far away. Oh, that was amazing. You're beautiful. That's so good.
Alright guys, the rails might have been sticky, but Tommy just taught me that trick.
Dude, it's sick. By the way, it's still first run, boys.
Yeah, oh my god, okay,
so it's nollie.
See, nollie, toe pick.
So you nollie, and then you throw your back foot into the snow, and then you bring it back up to finish. Maybe we save it?
Is a tricky one. We'll keep working on that one.
It was like a high five minute.
Guys,
this is a butt slap. I was like,
let's be real. Park is not fire right now. However, it's still the best day ever, dude.
It's still incredible because we're snowboarding.
Dude, seriously.
Just so you guys know, I didn't teach him that. That was all on him.
Dude, the board was sick. All right, guys, this is where Tommy's got to go do his real job of snowboarding. And we got to say goodbye to him. What a sick morning, dude. Taught me so many new tricks. I hope you guys like the fact that I'm still learning, and even Tommy's still learning new stuff. And it's super sick. We're just out here trying to have fun and becoming the best snowboarders possible. Tomie has a YouTube channel. Let's get him to 1,000. You need like 200 more. I know we can do that. So let's go subscribe to Tomie. Let's check out his Instagram. He's about to hit 15,000. We gotta do that too. And lastly, is a snowboard online course if you want to become a boss at snowboarding. Check that out. All right, Tomie, dude, thanks for the love. We are gonna go snowboard with Snowboard Pro Camp now again, so let's do it. What up, dog?
Yo, what up, homie?
How you been?
What?
How you been?
Good, good.
No miss high fives today.
What's up?
How we doing?
Good.
You guys don't know it, but Ryan has saved the day today because I was a dummy, forgot my GoPro batteries. GoPro battery in the camera was dead because Roman was playing with the GoPro, and Ryan gave us his battery. What a nice guy! Dude, seriously, saved the video.
Dude, the secret to YouTube.
Extra batteries.
Tons of batteries.
I actually have 4. The pocket of these pants rip. All right, guys, so we have a bunch of the snowboard YouTubers sitting on this chairlift, which is sick, and we like to make videos, and sometimes we probably take our falls out. However, I know I personally fall every single day I snowboard, and you guys saw it today with Tomie. I was falling non-stop. Basically, I want your guys' opinions on falling every day, and is it a bad thing, is it a good thing? Because to me, I feel like I should be at least touching the ground, my body, every single day, because that means I'm trying to learn new stuff.
Let's go elsewhere first.
Yeah. For me, I think when you're falling a little bit, that's like you're pushing yourself, you're learning. But I definitely try not to fall at all. But when I do, I definitely try to leave as many as I can in the videos. But the ones I take out are the ones where if my mom were to watch and she'd get worried, those are the ones I take out. So yeah, if you're out there, if you're falling, that's a great thing, you're learning. But yeah, fall safely too. Wear a helmet, wear some crash pants, and that'll help keep you safe.
I like it a lot. I mean, falling is part of the game. I don't fall nearly as much as I used to, but my progression level, I don't know, it's maybe a little different nowadays, but I've definitely taken my share of crashes. But learning how to fall safely again, that's a big part of it. Not just bombing down the hill and catching edges and destroying yourselves. Just being able to be in control, and if you do fall, most of mine are pretty darn mellow and look so lame that I don't even put them in the vids. So.
Ryan doesn't fall, he skids across the slope.
Pretty much.
Yeah, if you're not falling, you're not learning, but you definitely want to minimize the chance of getting injured. So, you know, just be slightly outside your comfort zone. Take it incrementally. And you are going to have those days where sometimes, you know, you're not landing tricks, you're sliding out more than you're used to, and that's just how it goes sometimes. So don't be hard on yourself.
I just wanted to pick their brains on falling and everything, since we had them on a chairlift, and we're always talking about little stuff here and there. But just know that falling is a part of progressing. You're not going to go out and stomp the trick the first time normally, but like TJ said, slightly out of your comfort zone and you're good to go. So
Yeah, it's like, yeah. Go.
all right, guys, Kevin, TJ are smoked. Ryan's out of here. So I think we're gonna put you guys in the pocket. I know you want to watch us all ride together, but those videos are coming. Don't worry. I will see you guys at the car. All right, it was so sick riding with Ryan, TJ, and Kevin. All of their YouTube channels are linked in the description, so give them some love if you want more snowboarding content. They make great videos. And once again, big shout out to Ryan for letting me borrow a battery. This is the next day because I didn't have a battery to record, and then I got home and I had to do all my dad's stuff. Once I get home from snowboarding, the wife is like, your turn, high five, I'm going to the gym, see you later. And then I just hang out with the little dude for the rest of the day. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, subscribe to the channel so we can help you become the best snowboarder possible by sharing little gems with you like you're gonna fall. And my whole point about the falling and snowboarding, why it's a good thing, is you shouldn't be like slamming. You shouldn't be having falls that are actually gonna like really hurt you. But like you saw in the beginning of the video, Tomie was teaching me new tricks. They were in my skill range. They're slightly above what I could do, and I was falling a bunch trying to learn them. However, at the end of the day, we learned a new trick and it was super sick. So go out, slightly challenge yourself, don't wreck yourself. And if you are hitting any park features that you've never hit before, please go look at it before you just go right and hit it, because I promise you, you want to see what the feature looks like, the landing, how far the gap is between the takeoff and like the rail, stuff like that. And with that, Team Huckhouse, thanks for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching, keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do, babe.
What's up guys, Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm not gonna teach you how to ollie. My snowboard coach, Tomie, is gonna teach you how to ollie.